So I'm just down from work from early morning, and it's so cold outside, and a baby girl needs to go outside, have some fun. Yeah, baby girl, let's go. It's so cold outside, and look at the sky. It's so freaking cloudy. It will be raining today, for sure. Better to go home as fast as possible. Are you done? Let's go home. I finally got my car back. Yesterday I didn't vlog anything at all because I stayed all the time at home. I was cleaning apartment, and I don't think that it was so important to film, to be honest. So yeah, today I am planning to finally make the vision board. It's time for it. I just finished from the office. We had the another casting. It went very fast and smooth, and the most important, that I am very happy that I am having my baby car back. So it's very dirty. I will give it a wash. We'll do a vision board most probably, and we'll cook something for myself because I'm very hungry, and edit this finally vlog. It's been a while I'm vlogging and I didn't edit anything, so yeah, let's go. Oh my god, I'm such a mess, guys. I've been playing with this baby girl for a while. So my vlogging situation is not as perfect as I was expected. My vlogging is all over the place, and I'm sorry for that. When I will be editing, I will, I think, skip half of videos that I was filming. The plan was for today to do a lot of stuff, and we did none of it yet. But I think it's still today. It's 10 p.m. So I think it's time for the vision board, which is already on the floor waiting for me to start doing it. We need to do it. So I'm having the mental break at the moment, and I don't care, to be honest. So just will check my forex and all that stuff, and let's start. I'm trying to understand what's wrong with the camera, and I'm so tired. So we are set right here. So what I'll need this, and I will need to fix the pictures first. Hey, go away. Ideal situation. Somebody who doesn't want me to do it. Yeah. So here's the deal. We're doing all this right now. Lay down in here and have some fun with me, okay? So let's start. I did something to the camera, and I don't know how to fix it. What to do? So I cut everything, and I will give just a very short explanation. So this one is for my forex. I want to read this year more books than I did last year, to do modeling jobs more than I did this year because I wasn't focusing on this particular jobs. Then I'm traveling to Paris. Then 10k followers this year, that's for sure. YouTube to remind about itself, and the new video every week. Time to travel. Don't forget to travel every now and then, and that's what I didn't do for the entire year of 2019. And here is the new apartment, which I am planning to buy this year. And this is the recording studio, and I'm planning to record a few extra songs and do music videos for that. And the last but not least is a reminder, which is 2017 changed me, 2018 broke me, 2019 opened my eyes, and 2020 I'm coming back. My first beautiful vision board, we can say. I'm proud of myself that I finally finished it, because I was not ready maybe for that, so finally I did it and I'm happy about it. But I will stick everything right now and I am done with it. And tomorrow morning I will do a week planner or a month planner, because I have so many jobs and I have to remember all of them, and they are from different companies, different kind of events, not as I was doing usual before. I think I will end the vlog right here. It was just a mess, not a vlog, but thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, and till then, see you in my next video. Bye.